Okay, okay, guys. Let's prove uh, this monthly quiz. Number one, simplify the below the equation. So, hold on a second. Okay, then 2 over third 2 over third a squared times 6ax times when the negative square equal to when the negative number square is larger than 0, so times 1, of course, a square x 6, so cancelling 2 and the 6 also, so the remainder x is 2, 1, 2 is 8, 5, 6. So 8x cubed times 2 square y square z square times x square y square reciprocal, because dividing there are some polynomials mean the times reciprocal, so cancelling 2 negative 1 and z square is cancelling each others, so remains 8 times 4 equals 32, and x g square, that's 3 to 1 over 2 cube times a cube p 6 times reciprocal 1 over a square p to the 6 times, and whenever you do odd squares, the sign still not be changed, so negative 2 cube over 3 cube p to the 6, so the cancelling, and a left 1 and cancelling p6, so negative a p to the 6 over 27. Number 2, so make the common denominator, so left side times y to the denominator and numerator also, and vice versa, right side fraction times x denominator and numerator also, so we can make the common denominator xy, and left things the times y, so the y square plus x square plus, and we can there's no method to the expression x square plus y square, so we can using the product rules, so xy plus x plus y square minus 2xy, then b a square minus 2b over b. And using the same principle, we can solve the number 2. So make the common denominator xy and x cubed plus y cubed. Then using the product formulas, so x cubed plus y cubed equal to x plus y cubed minus 3xy times x plus y. So xy and x plus y cubed minus 3xy times x plus y. So a cubed minus 3ab divided by b. Okay, next. So 3 to the first section. So expanding 1 to third and second and first terms. Then we can make the sum result of the x square plus 2x minus 3 times x square plus 2x minus 8. So expanding two quadratic equation and x force plus 4x cube plus 4x square minus 11x square minus 22x and plus 24. So merging the two like terms, so result is x to the fourth plus 4x cubed minus 7x square minus 22x plus 24. And second is okay. Also, there's some changing orders. This always the add and multiple can be applied some associate commutative properties. So we can change in the some orders. So x squared plus 1 minus x and x squared plus x plus 1. Then we can find this. Sorry. Plus x plus 1 plus x. So add and subtract for formula. So a plus b times a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. So x plus 1 square plus 1 square minus x square equal to x to the fourth plus 2x square and minus x square equal to plus x square and plus 1. And number 3. So expanding using the first and third term and the second and fourth term. So we can use cube the product formulas. Then x cube plus 1 times x cube minus 2 cube. So expanding to cube equation, then x to the 6 minus 7x to the cube minus that is answer. And last one also using cube product formulas. The first and second and using the result and combine the third terms. So first, using the first and second term, we can make the some cube product formulas, and then that result, using that result and combine the third term. Also, we can using the cube formula. So when expanding first and second terms, a cube minus b cube, and then a to the 6 plus a to the cube, b cube plus b to the 6. So one more using the cube formula. So a cube to the cube equal to 3 times 3 equal 9. So a 9 to the 9 minus b to the 9. Okay. Number 9. So using the commutative properties, then x cube plus 3x minus factoring out some negative 1, then y cube minus y minus 2. Minus no way. And way after. Monday. Okay. Sorry for the waiting me, and thanks for your understanding. But anyway, that's not my part. Sorry again. Anyway, sorry again. y minus y square minus y e2. So we can factoring this the second quadratic equation. Then x cube plus 3x minus y minus 2y plus 1. Then so y minus 2 minus y plus 1. Then 3. Okay, so x x minus y minus 2 x plus y plus 1. And second thing is using the quadratic formulas. So a square a plus b plus c square equal to a plus b plus c square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So using the formulas, just some changing the sign. So a minus b plus c square equal to I'm only changing the b sign over b, so only b including that here 1, 2, 3 terms. So I will change that the expanding equation, put in the b to the negative b. So a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. So we can find it. The answer is here, and 3 is okay. Expanding this equation and ordered by descending order by a. So then using this first term and the outer term, then b minus c a square and the outer term and inner term. So minus b square minus c square to the a times a, and left things plus bc times b minus c. So factoring out the common factor b minus c, then b minus c a square minus b square minus c square equal to b minus c times b plus c. So remind the equation is b plus c, and left is b plus bc. So we can factoring the bc and minus minus. So result is b minus c and a minus b times a minus c. Okay. Number 5. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c times a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. That is also special cube formulas. Using these formulas, and we should know the AB plus BC plus CA. So A plus B plus C square equal to A square, B square, C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA. So put in the numbers 1 equal to 3 plus 2, let the AB plus BC plus CA equal to T, then 2T. So T equal to negative 1. So AB plus BC plus CA equal minus 1. So put in the numbers in this equation, then 3 minus 3ABC equal to 1 times 3 plus 1, negative 1 times negative 1, minus negative 1 minus times negative 1 equal to plus 1. So the sorry so ABC equal to minus 1. 6. Using the same principle, so the x cube plus y cube plus g cube minus 3xyg equal to, using this, 3 times x plus y plus g equal to this x square plus y square plus g square equal to x plus y plus the reaction really slow. Anyway, xy minus yg minus gx can also x plus y plus g cube minus 3xy plus yg plus gx. Wow. So 9 minus 3xy plus yg plus gx equal to xyg. So minus xyg. So So x cube plus y plus cube equal to 27 minus 3xyg. So canceling and canceling. So x cube plus y cube plus g cube equal to 27. Okay. Ah, 7. If you got wrong this question, if you want to back up this test, you should be rewrite the whole question and draw some picture and some that pictures also. So that's the solution is really easy. But if you the wrong answer, it's really long needs a really long time to the back up this score. So anyway, 1 over 1 over 10 plus 1 over 20 equal to, here is 3 over 20, so 20 over 3 is the answer. Really easy. Actually, I'm not changed the sum on your textbook. So if you have some problem, solve your some exercising, then really it's easy to solve it. So I'm already told you you should be solve your exercising after my math classes. If you don't do that, your math uh, scores will be still the really lower score. So I hope this next monthly quiz you're preparing for the preparing my monthly quiz. You should be some solve your exercise on your textbook. Anyway, A. So what date will the PC population again be the same? The same. The July birthday, the 2020 means the that the really very first day, the beginning day. So it means t equal to 0, right? T equal to 0. So put in the t equal to 0 means f is 3000. So 3000 equal 100 30 plus 70 t minus t square. So so t square minus 17t equal to 0. So when the PC as the number of PCR 3000, and then is t equal to 0 or t equal to 17. So the t equals 17 or 2037. B. What date will be fish the wreck have died, or so it means the number of fish are 0, so put in the 0 into the f, so 0 equal to 100. Come on, 30 plus 17 t minus t square. So canceling, and t square minus plus 17 t minus 30 equal to 0. So you should be using the quadratic formulas. T equal to 17 plus minus square root 289 plus 120 means 409 divided by 2. So answer is t equal to 17 plus square root 409 divided by 2. Because a kind of times and the weight, the height, the numbers of some fish like that can be as negative numbers. So t is 17 plus square root 409 or divided by 2. Okay. Nine. So 90 kilometer per hour can be translate 90,000 divided by 30,600 seconds. So meter per sec. So it means sup 6 divided by how many? Then 25. Okay, 25 meter per sec. Okay, so these cars are 3 meters. These trucks are 27. So 7 plus 27, and the he passed the truck completely 6 seconds. So 25 meter per second is some velocity. So the velocity times time equal to distance. So 25 times 6. So that is distance that the car pass away. So during the 6 seconds. So 6 plus 27 plus this that distance that the car pass away. So it means 180. So 180 divided by 6 equal to 30. So 30 minutes per second, or you can change your velocity to kilometer per hour. So 30 times 3060 divided by 10. So 108 kilometer per hour. 100 kilometer per hour or the 30 meter per second. Both velocities are allowed. It doesn't matter. You can write down any kind of velocity. Anyway. Six. So number 1, 7 plus I. Number 2 equal to -1 minus 5I. Number 3 equal to 18 plus I. Number 4 equal to using the rationalized denominators, using the realized denominator, using the imaginary conjugate. So 3 minus 2i divided by 4 plus 3i times both numerator and denominators. Sometimes the imaginary conjugate of denominator. So 4 minus 3i, both sides. So the result is 6 minus 17i divided by 25. And 5 equal to 2023 divided by 4, the remainder is 3, so equal to minus I. Five. You can change this equation using the square root minus 1 equal to I, and then square root 2 minus square root 2i times 2 square root 2 plus square root 2. Expanding this equation, then you can get 6 minus 2i. Okay, 6 minus 2i. And two more questions. Okay. Seven equal to be 14. I think you can calculate by yourself. It's really easy. It's not a problem hard to solve it. Just it not just focus one or not. I bet you really you can solve it by yourself. So try it. Try it one more time, then you can get that result. And equal to 2 square and x times y to the 8, and 3 equal to 16 times x to the x cube, 4. Okay, and then r square divided by r to the 1 cube. Come on. Oh. R cube means r square cube minus 1/3. It doesn't work. Sorry. R to the 5/4 3. Okay, using this principle, then results are 10 times s squared. So this equation equal x to the 2 3 over 2 times 2 times 3 to the 2 2 plus and 30. Okay. So answer is x 58 to the 30. So x to the 29 divided by 15. Okay, one more. Wow, almost done. Come on. Just one more, just one more. Come on. $1 means the 100 cents. So 30 plus 0.1x larger than or equal to 50. Because if you're getting less money means you can save the money. So if the plan B save your money means the plan A, the money should be larger than the plan B. So let's write down this equation, inequalities like that. So plan B save your money means the plan A, the money is larger than the plan B. Okay, so isolated the x is one side, 0.21x larger than or equal to 20. So x is larger than or equal to 200. Okay.
Oh my. Actually, I'm already recorded. I think I'm already done with recording, but I don't push the button. So I already write my answer the working process. But anyway, I was just some. Just using the some answer procedure, and I can't rewrite again. Anyway, number 13. Find the trace of a point at the same distance from the 2 points. So set some points P, A, B, and let the 3,7 to A, 7,3 to B. So we should be want to find some P that AP distance AP equal to BP. So using the distance formulas, x square root to x minus 3 square plus 7 minus y square equal to square root to 7 minus x square plus 7 minus y square. Square the both sides, so we can eliminate the square root, and then the expanding, then x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 14y plus 49 and equal to x square minus 14x plus 49 to y square minus 6y plus 9. So eliminated some the same term, the x square and y square, and the 9 and 49 also. So remain the two terms. So isolate both sides to x and y. Then add some both sides 14x and both sides of 14y. Then remain the terms 8x equal to ay. So divide by a, x equal to y. So the answer is p a comma b, a comma a, or b comma b, or a type of. So it means some points p are lie on the y equal to x. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay or it's okay. It doesn't matter. One or two, any kind of. Both two also answers can allow it. And 14, there's some parallelogram. A parallelogram got some really important private some specific characteristic. First, two opposite segments are parallel each other, and second, two opposite segments equal to each other. It means the same distance lengths. Second, two opposite angles, two pairs of opposite angles are equal to each other, and two neighbor angles, sum of two neighbor angles are 180 degrees, and diagram of the parallelogram should be bijectors. And so we use the 50th characteristics. So diagonal of the parallelogram should be the bijector. It means two bijectors of a midpoint are equal to each other. So midpoint of AC, here it is, and midpoint of BD, here it is. So two midpoint of AC and BD are equal to each other. So using their properties, 5/2, 6/2 are equal to 4 plus A over 2, 2 plus B to the half. Anyway, so we can find D equal to 1, 4. So using the same principle, vice versa, find the area of a parallelogram ABCD means 2 times of area of the triangle ABC. So so first of all, you should find the area of the triangle ABC. So half. So -1, -1, 4, 2, 7, 7, and first rewrite the first point -2, -1. So go to right and below the line. Some looks like red line to the link the two numbers times sum of two wrinkles minus sum of right and above the two looks like link the two looks like link the green line so minus some of green line numbers. So -4 plus 28 minus 7 plus 4 minus 14 and plus 14. So answer is 21 to the half. So area of triangle ABC equal to 2 ABC. So 21. So last question. following the graph, the y equal fx, through the each graph. So y equal f minus x means symmetric with respect to y-axis. So folding y using the y, so you can draw it like this. And number 2, the y equal minus fx means symmetric with respect to x-axis. So folding using the x-axis. So turn over the if you underneath the graph, the turn over above the x-axis. There are some other cases. Some graph graph draw the sum above the x-axis. Then you should be turned over under the x-axis. Okay. So you can draw like this. And 3 means y equal minus f minus x equal to symmetric respect to origin. So it means it doesn't matter the orders first. If you turn folding the y-axis after then x-axis, or if you're folding the x-axis after then y-axis, it doesn't matter to order. You should be sequentially two symmetrics at y-axis and x-axis. Okay, so using the first result and then turn over the x-axis, the symmetric axis, or using the second result symmetric to y-axis, then you can draw like this. Number 4, there is really important things actually. It just looks like the switch the x and y's positions, but it's really important things. So that the symmetrics got some really unique name is that in that cases, if we switch the x and y's positions, then we call these two functions after switch the functions called the inverse function. So y equal fx, and then the x equal, if we switch the fx, then x equal fy. That function is the inverse function of the y equal fx. Okay, actually it is also can symmetric with respect to y equal fx. So the first quadrant y equal fx so does not change, but third quadrant should be the respect to y equal x. So using that this line is y equal x. This line equal y equal x. Oh my god. This line y equal x. So at the first beginning, that is the y equal fx. So under the if the graph lies under the y equal fx, then we should be turned over above the y equal fx. And in other cases also, if there are some graph lie on the y equal fx, then we turn over the below the y equal fx. So we can make this like this. Okay, so minus 1, 0 should be 0, minus 1. So that is answer. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos. I really hope some first year academic growth. And if you check some test page, and if you got some wrong answer, including the partial pointed, so if you want to back up your points, you should be rewrite 10 times, including the kind of some graph and full sentence of the problem. You should be full sentence of the problem and including the working procedure. Anyway, actually, even though we got some autumn break, I got some homework. Sorry. But by the way, I hope you got a great autumn breaking and have a wonderful breaking time. And take care and see you next Monday. See you guys. Bye.